Sunday morning, rain is falling. Still some color, share some skin. Clouds are shrouding us in moments unforgettable. You twist to fit the mold that I'm in. But things just get so crazy, living life gets hard to do. I would gladly hit the road, get up and go if I knew.
We were taught to give care, to understand pain, to bring comfort, to heal. But no one taught us how to care for ourselves.
That may be all I need. In darkness she is all I see.
Uy, Perry, may copy ka ba ng notes? Hindi ko kasi nagawa yung akin eh.
Sige.
Thanks.
Girl, pwede pa tulong din dito. Hindi ko kasi mag-gets eh. Okay. Ganito kasi yan. Helping others always felt natural. It's what we signed up for. We push ourselves to know more, do more, give more, even if it means giving parts of ourselves away.
Mr. Ronas po? Wala po tayo ng vital signs. Wala po tayo ng
Okay lang ba siya?
Ako po? Okay lang po.
Hindi ikaw siya, yung anak ko.
Okay lang po siya.
Okay. Ano pong BP niya?
110/70 po.
Salamat po, nurse. Ang bait mo. Salamat, nurse, ah.
Walang anuman po. It's my duty.
I thought being a nurse meant being strong all the time. That showing weakness meant I wasn't worthy of the uniform I wear. So I kept pushing, even when my body begged me to stop.
Girl, busy ka? Taragala tayo. Ang tagal natin hindi nagbabanding.
Bro, nag-work na ako.
Sorry guys, pass mo na. Healthy kasi namin yun. Hindi kailangan ka mag-review. Daming ginagawa.
Wait, nag-dinner ka na ba? Parang pagdating mo, dyan ka na agad.
Oo nga, girl. Tara na, kain muna tayo.
Yun nga, hindi pa eh.
Ano, na tayo. Okay.
Ingat kayo.
Sumunod ka, ha? Tara, Ben?
Sure ka? Doon na kami. Sunod ka if gusto mo, ah.
Ingat kayo guys.
Bye, bye. Sunod ka.
I kept telling myself, this is temporary. That once I survive the next quiz, next shift, the next night, I'll rest. But the next time never came.
So, sleep is a basic human need that is essential for maintaining physical health. So, mental clarity and emotional stability. However, in the nursing profession, long hours, night shifts, and rotating schedules often lead to Mr. Sabeda. Mr. Sabeda. Mr. Sabeda!
Sir,
Parang nakakatulog ka. Answer this question nga.
I kept telling myself that I can do this, but my body won't listen until I finally gave up.
BP is 90/60.
Upon checking, mababa yung blood pressure. Malamang dahil sa puyat, stress, at hindi pagkain sa oras. Wala ka namang sakit, pero kung pagpapatuloy mo yung ganito, mas lalala ka.
Sir, you need to rest. Hindi ka robot. Kung gusto mo maging mabuting nurse, dapat alagaan mo din yung sarili mo.
Paano ako makakapag-alaga ng iba kung ako mismo hindi ko kayang alagaan?
Our generation cares so much. Studies, responsibilities, expectations. But maybe our true collective strength is learning that caring for others begins with caring for ourselves.